equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely disassembling your HP Omen 17. Start by powering off the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible. Next, locate the screws on the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws, placing them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back panel using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you'll have access to the internal components. Now, locate the motherboard. Before proceeding, it's crucial to ground yourself to prevent static damage. If you're unsure about handling this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, disconnect all cables attached to the motherboard. This includes the power connector, display cable, and any other peripherals. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any connectors. If you find this process daunting, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service, which can save you the hassle of traveling. Once all cables are disconnected, you'll need to remove the screws securing the motherboard. Keep track of these screws, as they can vary in size. After removing the screws, gently lift the motherboard out of the chassis. Inspect the motherboard for any visible damage, such as burnt components or broken traces. If you identify any issues, you may need to replace specific parts. For this, a quote before repair is essential to understand the costs involved. If the motherboard appears intact, it's a good idea to clean it. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust and debris. This will help improve airflow and prevent overheating. After cleaning, reapply thermal paste to the CPU and GPU if you've removed them. This step is crucial for maintaining optimal temperatures. Now, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Carefully place the motherboard back into the chassis, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect all cables, ensuring they are firmly in place. Finally, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws. Reinsert the battery and power on the laptop to test if the repair was successful. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, we are here to help with no calls, no travel, making your repair experience as smooth as possible. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.